can stand on different sides, one thing at a time. I have to learn to hide, one thing at a time.
Hello guys, it's your girl Jazmin Dennise and I am back with another video. And this video, if you didn't read by the title, will be me using the Jaclyn Dark Magic palette. And usually I don't film this part, but I went ahead and did it. I'm doing my eyebrows. I used the what is it, the benefit brow pencil, and I think it's the Precise Brow number 5. And of course I use my regular concealer of Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep, and that's how I like shaped up my eyebrows and brought it down to my eyelids as well. Here is this beauty, the Jaclyn Dark Magic palette. I know you can barely see it due to my lighting, and of course the packaging is white and the light is hitting it, and I don't have a great camera, so whatever. Anyways, I am going in with the color Inside Job. To me, it looks like a very dark greenish blue color, but when you put it on, it looks blue. I don't know, I don't know. But anyways, I'm taking it all over the lid. I'm not bringing it all the way down, but I am following the crease, but taking it a little higher above my crease. And you could probably barely see it, but I went in with the color Mojo, which is like a brown color, and I took that on the top of it to smooth it out so I don't have that harsh line. And once I go ahead and did that with both eyes, I went ahead with Temptress, which is like a dark color. It's like a black. I said dark color, but it's like a black with sparkles. But when I added it on, it just looked like it just made the color a darker blue. So it didn't look like it did really any difference. But I went ahead and put that on the outside edge and brought it all the way to the inside. And now I'm carving the cut crease with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. You can go as far as you want. This is how far I want it. But, you know, anyways. Now I'm going in with the color Potion, which is like an olive green color. And I put that in the middle. And as you can see, I am pressing it on, not swiping it on. Because when you press it, it adds more color. And now I went in with the color Shush. Or Shh. But anyways, I realized later in the video I didn't like the way that looked, so I ended up replacing it with Power Cut. But anyways, going with the other brushes you use for the other colors to fix up the colors that you need. And then I took my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner to go ahead and make my wing. And as you can see right here, that's when I went in with Power Cut to replace where I put Shush, because I don't know, I feel like it just needs that pop of bling right there or something. I should have put some silver glitter. That probably would have put more emphasis on it, but I don't have silver glitter, but whatever. And now I'm going with my Tarte lashes and the name Goddess. I love these. But I added the glue on them so it can get a little tacky. And then I went in with my Lancome, what is it? Monsieur Big mascara to just get all my lashes to go in one direction. And then I went ahead and put the lashes on. And now I'm going in with my new primer by Dr. Brandt. It's a illuminizing primer, and it's really good for, I guess, dry skin. That's what the girl recommended, and I like it because it does illuminize the skin, and it actually feels really good. It feels like lotion, honestly, but yeah, I'm using that. And then I went in and mixed my two foundations, my NARS foundation Macau and my Fenty Beauty in the shade 430. If you haven't noticed by now, I always use this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Deep. Eventually, I'm going to get a new color because I feel like it is starting to get a little too light on me. It probably been light and I just never took notice to it, but I'm putting it on all the areas I want to highlight on my face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. And now I realize instead of baking, just use an eyeshadow brush to pack on the powder. And I'm using Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent. And this feels so much better under my eyes. I don't feel like my under eyes are going to crack and just fall off my face. And I'm going in also on my smile lines to try to prevent creasing, but whatever. But now I'm going in with my True Match powder in the shade C5 to go ahead and finish off my face. And now going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am going in with Busted to do my waterline. I have no idea why I use that giant brush, but it got the work done. And I also took my Black NYX pencil to, you know, color my waterline, but I was too low in the video, so you couldn't really see me do it, so I didn't include that, but whatever. And then for the inner corner, I went in with Diversion, but realized that didn't do much, so I went in with Power Cut again, and then took Power Cut on my nose a little bit, put a little bit on my Cupid's bow, even though my Cupid bow is not dominant, and then put it on my brow bone to give it some pop of silver as well. And now, I don't know why I use this. I went with my Laura Geller illuminizing highlight and Ballerina on my cheeks. I don't know why I did it. I just probably tried to be extra, but whatever. I keep saying whatever a lot. I need to stop. Golly. But you know I don't wear lipstick, so I went in with Vaseline because, I don't know, me and lipstick don't get along. And then I went in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to finish the job. Hello, everyone. Oh my gosh. Hello, everyone. I am back with another makeup look on this look using the Jaclyn Hill. Can y'all see that? I don't think you can. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Dark Magic. It's probably because it's white and then the light is beaming on it, you know, a little flashback. But I didn't know if y'all could see the colors or not, but this is what they look. Let me turn down the contrast. This is what they look like. Oh my gosh, I made the video super dark. But this is what the colors look like that I used. Basically this whole bottom row plus Diversion and Power Cut. Let me turn it back up. I really like this palette, very pigmented. I also have, what is it, Orange and Gorgeous. I have this one, which looks like this. I also have this one. So if you want me to do a video on this one, I will do that. You know what, I'm not even gonna ask y'all, I'm gonna just do it. But in honor of me missing Halloween and dark colors in the fall and blah blah blah, I went ahead and did a makeup look on this palette. I really like it. It's worth buying. I've been had these palettes. It's not like I just bought them. I've been had them. I just never made a look with them. And of course it comes with a mirror if you can't tell, but yeah, see the colors. My lighting's terrible, but yeah, that's all I have. But anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, and tune in next time. Watch another video. I don't know. It's gonna pop up here or here. Just pick one. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. Do what you gotta do because I'm back and better than ever. No, you're not. So, yeah. Bye. Bye, guys.
Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek.